Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Canon printer drivers in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 full setup guide. The printer we want to use is Canon Pixma TR4700 or 4700 series. What you need to do is we're going to use Google search bar, or you can use any search program you want to use. We want to go to Google, then type Canon support in your region, Canon support. I'm in United Kingdom. Then select Canon product support. You search for the product model or scroll down and select the model. Browse your product. This printer is Canon Pixma. Then you select Pixma. So you also have Canon Essence Maxifier or scanner. So you can select any product. So we want to select Pixma. Select on the Pixma. Then scroll down. Pixma got several models. Select on TR series. Then it will show you all the TR series printer available. So you look from the list. This printer is TR4700. Select on it. It will show you the printer. This is the printer. Then you scroll down. You see drivers, Wi-Fi setup or driver. Then you select drivers. Then scroll down and it will show you recommended for you TR600 series, 4700 series or 4500 series. So this driver is applicable to these printers. If you're using different computer model or Mac, etc., then you scroll down to select your operating system, view all operating systems. So Windows 11 is picked up. Then you select download. And it will also show you this driver will provide full printing and scanning functionality of your product. Then you select download. Licensing agreement, select download. So the file is downloading. It will show you have your say complete survey. No, thank you. And also then you can go up. The file is downloaded. You can go up, look on your screen, go up and open the file, or you go to File Explorer. If you go to File Explorer, then select download. It will show you the file. If you don't want to go from File Explorer, then you just need to double click the file on your screen. Once you double click it, then it will show you Canon IGS software. Then select yes to make changes. Then it will show you extracting. Welcome to driver installer setup. Then select next. Then select your region or residence, Europe, United Kingdom. Then select next. Licensing agreement. Then select yes. Then it will show you the products available. This is the printer, TR4700 series, and also show you the serial number and connection method, Wi-Fi connection. Then you select on it. Then select next. Now it's installing. Drivers were installed successfully. Canon TR4700 series. Then you select exit. You can print out documents, scan documents, you can print documents, etc. Go to Windows Start, go to the settings, then select printers and scanners. Then it will show you the printer from the list. This is the printer TR4700 series, TR4700 series fax. So this printer I can do fax with it. So this is the reason why I have two models here. One is for fax, another one is normal printer, and toner or ink is low. So the printer ink is low. If you select on it, then they give you option for you to print a test page. I'm going to print a test page to confirm it. This is the printer printing out the document. So because the ink is running low, so it will take a bit of time. So the black ink is running low, but we're going to print out the test page to confirm that the printer is working. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TR4700 series on laptop, Windows X64. If you go to more devices and printer settings, select on it, then it will show you printer image. This is the printer, Canon TR4700 series. This is the printer. If you want to scan document, then select add a device. It will show you the printer, then select add. This will contain the scanner. Then select the printer. So look from the list and select the one with scanner and fax settings. So this particular one got scanner settings and fax settings. Then if you want to scan document, then select scanner settings, open scanner, so that you can scan documents. So this is how to install and download Canon printer drivers. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. You help the channel. Thank you.